Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you how to get backlinks as a brand new business owner. Watch this. All right, guys, hope everybody's doing great. If this is your first time here, my name is Brett Milletta from Mindsaw. I actually started this agency back in the year 2000. A long time ago. All right, so if you're here, you need backlinks, right? You're a brand new business and you're looking for backlinks. So today I am using the example contractor in Tampa. You could be an electrician in Brooklyn. You could be a carpet cleaner in Chicago. Okay, so we're all trying to rank right here. We're trying to rank in this area, and there are a lot of things that contribute to ranking on Google Maps. One of the factors is backlinks, is showing, do you have backlinks in the community? And I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's very, very simple. So the simplest explanation as to what a backlink is your link on another website. You're basically showing Google who your friends are. Just think of it like that. Think of it like a circle of friends, and the people reaching out to shake your hand or hand you their business card is the backlink. A backlink could be a link on another website that when they click that link, it goes back to your website. Very simple. What that does is it gives your website more credibility. And the more backlinks and the better backlinks that you have, the higher you rank on Google. So today I use the keyword contractor in Tampa. And this is the first way how we're going to get backlinks is we're going to reach out to. So if you're a contractor or you're a doctor or you're a dentist, you need to think about people in your circle that work in your city, but that are related to your business. I picked contractor today because it's probably the easiest one to think. You're a contractor, well, you have plumbers, right? You have plumbers that you work with. So you could call up Ray from Grable Air and you could ask him, hey, I'd like to write an article, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'd like to write an article and I would like you to put it on your website. Now, they don't have to show it on their website. It just needs to be on their website. It doesn't need to be in the navigation. It just needs to be in the background of their website. Easiest put, right? Because what we're doing is we're really just doing this for Google. Okay, so we get a plumber, then we go over and we have an electrician. Now you have to think of it also. If you're a car detailer, well, what backlinks would you get? Well, I would get other cars, used car places, new car places. I would get what else? I would get car washes, right? And I would ask them, can I write an article to put on your website? You don't have to show the article if you don't like. So most people will put it on their blog. It doesn't care where they can show it, right? And you talk about how the two businesses how you do business with that business. That's all you need to do, right? So once again, as a contractor, drywall. So we got three. Right, we got it right off the top of my head. I had a plumber, electrician, and people who do drywall. Right, you want to get between 5 and 10 backlinks on other people's website. Now, this is how you write the article. I created a GPT at no charge. I'm just going to put the link in the description below. I created a GPT where you could write a guest post. Right? You could write a guest post and this is already optimized. What I did was I found all the Google algorithm updates. So when you're writing these articles, you don't have to worry about it getting flagged from Google because I put all the algorithm updates. This GPT is going to check all the algorithm updates to make sure that your article is good. I also put in a lot of stuff in here. I put in a lot of little sneaky tricks. So you'll see Penguin, that was a Google algorithm back in 2012. Panda. I also put in the spam update. I put in a lot of a lot of helpful articles as to how to get your site ranked, right? So I added all these articles. So now when you write the article, it's going to use this as a reference point. So you're just going to write a guest post, right? And you could write 10 guest posts for find people, find a plumber, find an electrician, someone who does drywall, if you're a contractor, right? Find people in your industry. And then what you want to do is you want to link back. I'm going to show you what a guest post looks like. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you very much. I just want you to know that I also do client work. So if you need help with this, please reach out. Just come to my website. It's mindsaw.com. Just click the Talk With Me button and we'll set up a quick 5 or 10 minute consultation, see if we're a good fit for you. Thank you very much. All right, guys. So I just wrote the article in ChatGPT and it went through all the rules. It wrote it beautiful article, and basically what it says is Mindsaw helping general contractors grow their business with SEO and digital marketing, right? So I did the guest post as if I wanted to put my guest post on a general contractor's website. This is how I would write the post. And this is it. Right? Has everything we need, and then the only thing that we'll do is that we will link where it says Mindsaw, we will link that to the Mindsaw homepage. That's all. We're just going to link the brand. Just link your brand to the homepage. That's all you need to do. You just need 5 to 10 links. Use your brand. Let Google get familiar with your brand and link it back to your homepage from the contractor's website to your homepage. So the next type of links you need are citations. Citations are directory listings like Yelp, YP Yellow, Manta, Thumbtack, right? Those are all directories, and you need to be in all those directories, because what Google does is Google checks your name, address, and phone number, right? So it needs to be consistent in all those directories, so Google can affirm that your address is 1010 Main Street or whatever your address is. So you could use Fiverr. All I did was go to Fiverr, type in SEO citations. I found somebody that a top-rated seller, and just pick USA citations. Make sure they're USA citations, right? If you're in the USA, make sure you pick your country. So it's USA. Most of my clients here are from the USA. So USA citations, right? If from the UK, don't get UK citations if you're in the USA, or vice versa. Right? So you need citations. Get a citation package. Get 100 citations. That's 100 backlinks coming back to your website. You can get it at Fiverr. You could also go to whitespark.ca. You could get your citations there. I really like the way to do it. It's a little bit it costs a little bit more, but I really like the way that they do their citations because they get you in different directories than maybe somebody on Fiverr. But you know what? A lot of times it really doesn't matter. So look, I personally would just get 100 citations right through Fiverr. Make sure they're indexed. Make sure Google can see them. Let the person who you buy it from make sure that they're indexed. Make sure that they're indexed. That's the best advice that I could give you. Make sure that Google could see those directories that you're in. Okay, so WhiteSpark. Now the next one, Web 20 Ranker for press releases. You want to write a press release that you just opened your business and you want to speak about the business. In that press release, you want to add your name, address, and phone number. That's called your NAP. And your web address, of course. So you want to write a press release somewhere around 750 to 1,000 words. You write a press release. Once again, it can be written in ChatGPT. It needs to be written in the third person. But if you put in ChatGPT that you need a press release, it'll write it as if a reporter is writing about your business, right? Only when you're quoted in a press release, you could say, I opened the business, right? But the article shouldn't come from you. It should come from somebody reporting about you in the press release. Make sure you add your name, address, and phone number in the press release. Now, these press releases go out the same thing to 100 different news, MSNBC, CNN, Fox, ABC News, right? So you definitely want to get press releases. You get citations, get anywhere from 60 to 100 citations, and get press releases. Press releases will go out the same thing, about 60 to 100, depending on the service. You can also get a press release on Fiverr. You know, if money's really tight, you just put in press release right up top here, put in press release, and you know, you could get a press release there. Now, another place is AB Newswire, right? AB Newswire, you can, I think it's $80 per press release. But what I like about the press releases is that the language models now are picking them up. Right, so you'll be quoted from one of the language models from, you know, ABC News says this about you, says this about Phil's Plumbing or whatever your business is, right? So I think that's really important. So just once again, just real quick, make sure that you get citations and make sure you get press releases. That is super important. You could get Web 20 rank. I'll put the links in the description below. Or you could get them from AB Newswire. Or you could go over to Fiverr and type in press releases and get them there. Hey guys, I really hope this video helped. You know, a lot of times we use words in this industry that a lot of people don't understand. I remember when I first started, I didn't know what a backlink was, a citation, nothing. So I really try to, sometimes I over-explain, right? Sometimes, but you got people coming in from different, you know, have different levels of understanding. And I just try to, I really want to make sure that the newbie understands what I'm speaking about. So thank you for everybody else for having patience for me while I'm speaking about this. But these are really good ideas, you know, get guest posts, get citations, and get a press release. You do that within the first month. You optimize your website, you optimize your Google business profile, and you get reviews. You do those things along with the backlinks. I promise you're going to see yourself go to the top, right? You're going to see yourself move to the top, right? So I hope this video helped you. I make these videos so you could help your family, right? That's the reason why we're all doing this. Nobody's doing this because it's fun. We're doing this because, you know, you're a contractor, or you're a dentist, or, you know, you're doing what you're doing to feed your family. And now you have to watch, you know, SEO videos and do this yourself. And it can be very frustrating. You probably hired somebody already from Fiverr. You hired a kid that knew how to do SEO, or an agency that knew how to do SEO. You paid them for a year. You never got a report. I understand. So I hope these videos help you. If there's something I could do, please feel free to reach out. And I give everything I have on these videos. So sometimes people ask me, you know, Brett, are you going to make a course? There's nothing really that I speak. I give everything away for free. I give everything that I know for free. So I just hope that this helped you. Guys, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.